Hello, I am so pleased that you've come to see us today. We've created this short video to introduce you to our villa development and all it has to offer. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. Imagine barbecuing in January or hearing a lawnmower in February. Would you like to hit the beach anytime you want or watch the sunshine sparkling off your own pool? How about dinners on the beach? What about no snow shovel? This is Casa Linda life. It's about less stress and enjoying what really matters. What is the real Caribbean life? It's more than just a TV show. Vacations and everyday life are different. Real life requires services. While the north coast of the DR is arguably the prettiest part of the Dominican Republic, with stunning, incredible beaches, lush mountains, and tropical valleys, it's important to note that we also have the best infrastructure too. Modern shopping, excellent medical care, well-equipped hospitals, secure banking, and great restaurants, all within minutes of Casa Linda. Nowhere else caters to the needs of foreign buyers quite like the Sosua Cabarete area. And best of all, we don't get hurricanes. It's been almost 30 years since Casa Linda began constructing small villas in Phase 1. Over time, we've grown to almost 350 completed villas with owners from around the world. Today, most of our buyers are from North America, and we continue to build quality homes for important tropical dream home buyers and provide outstanding services to fit their lifestyle. Our tagline is "Your villa, your way," and we really mean it. Each Casa Linda home is as unique as the people who call it home. You have the option of customizing any of our great floor plans, or you can even do a custom build. Use your imagination and the imagination of our in-house architects to create a villa tailored for you. Each of our villas come with a private pool, amazing outdoor living spaces, and all the comforts you need, like fiber optic internet, executive construction spec, contemporary floor plans, and much more. Casa Linda is affordable luxury in paradise. Our service and commitment to you does not end with your villa purchase. We know that foreign buyers require special services. Maybe you're looking to move here full-time. Maybe you want a vacation home for now and you want to rent it when you aren't using it. Casa Linda offers services for our full and part-time owners. Our administration department pays your bills on your behalf. There's no need for you to deal with Spanish-speaking utility companies or have to navigate getting your internet fixed. Casa Linda's administration offers a stress-free service. You pay one bill with our office, and the rest is handled for you. We even have an owner's liaison whose only job is to assist owners. She is your point of contact for any issues you have, questions, ideas, and service needs. You can log into our online owners portal at any time and see your statements, ask questions, see news, access our owner's guide, and much more. Casa Linda is about service. Casa Linda is a 24-hour gated community with the best security in the area. The DR is a safe country, but many of our owners only live here part-time, and we also have renters on site. Security offers a deterrent to theft, monitors renters' behavior, and gives peace of mind to our owners. You can know that your property is protected when you are away and when you're here. Owners have access to our staff 24 hours per day. Many of our guards are also trained in CPR. Many of our owners use their villas as part-time vacation homes and earn rental income. Casa Linda can recommend a number of excellent rental management companies in the area. These are experts at marketing your villa and keeping it rented. They also make sure your villa is taken care of and vacationers who visit have a great time. We want you to thrive, and we know that life is about relationships and being social. Casa Linda offers something very few other developments do: an active, welcoming community of great owners. We facilitate events that foster relationships, from parties to exercise classes, game nights to pizza nights, shopping trips, excursions, and much more, all with a mind to help people make friends and find a true home here. Many people don't consider community when purchasing, but it's one of the most important things. For owners and renters, Casa Linda has some excellent on-site amenities. Don't want to drive? Our shuttle bus operates 7 days a week and will take you to Sosua and Cabarete on a set schedule. Like to walk? Our perimeter walking trail is 1 kilometer long with beautiful shade. Owners are loving our new water park with its swim-up bar, day beds, and daily happy hour at the Snack Shack. Spend the day floating down the lazy river or try our swim against the current machine. Renters with kids love the Children's Aqua Park with its slides, water games, and lifeguard for safety. Castaway's restaurant has excellent, well-priced meals, a fun staff, and a community atmosphere. Owners and renters make it a home base. It's a great meeting spot where we host many of our events. Our on-site mini market is perfect for that day when you run out of butter, need ice, or don't feel like going to the big grocery store. Both Castaway's restaurant and the mini market deliver to your villa. Other amenities include our 24-hour welcome center, mini golf, tennis, and bocce ball. More amenities and services will be added as we grow. Being a part of Casa Linda means much more than just purchasing a villa. It's about being a part of something really unique that can't be found anywhere else. An all-inclusive, service-oriented, caring community where you can live simply with less stress and a higher quality of life. And when you have to leave, you can lock the door and head to the airport, knowing your villa is in good hands. We've tried to think of everything. We really have. Welcome to Casa Linda. Like we always say, come here once and see how quickly it feels like home.